Hi everybody, welcome to your first lecture on logic building in Python for CFD, CAE and data scientists. Mostly data scientists, they are from engineering background, so can't really help them much. Yeah, they might be knowing all this stuff already, but for my own lads, engineering lads, CFD and CAE guys, or other PhD holders who want to get into data scientist role, this is for you guys. Yeah, and anyway, everybody needs Python at some point now in your uh, at your workplace, so you just can't, you can shirk it as much as you wish, but eventually you have to, in case if you want to grow professionally, you have to have hang of this. Yeah, so without further ado, what we're going to be doing now today, we're going to be looking into something called bubble sorting. And why bubble sorting is important? Well, sorting is important in itself because most of the times whenever you, for example, CFP or CE guys, whenever you are using uh, your data, whatever you're trying to do, plotting or whatever, the array system or whatever data you're going to be having, you have to manipulate it, and there's no way that you're going to be able to manipulate in case if you don't know how to play with indexes. And you might be wondering, at one point I'm talking about sorting algorithms, and then I'm talking about indexing. Well, you can't really do any kind of sorting without indexing. You'll see what I mean. uh, so let's say we have a list and it says 11, 2, 3, 5, and 99 and 6. Okay. Forget about sorting as of now. What we're going to be doing is we're just going to be taking one number, which is going to be the highest number. And we're just going to be putting towards the end. Yeah. What's going to be the logic? Just pause the video and think. How are you going to be doing that? Well, I think, or that's the logical approach. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be picking the first element. Yeah, you're going to be picking this. You're going to be comparing with the second. Is first element greater than the second? Yes, it is. So you're going to be making a switch. So that's going to be your new array, like for your first, after your first iteration. Then you're going to be moving the increasing the counter. So now your I is going to be this. Yeah, so I is going to be 1. So for example, if this is your list, a of 1 now. Yeah, a of 1, which is going to be this. Yeah, this was a of 0 initially. So now you're going to be checking if a of 1 is greater than, sorry for the greater sign, let me just remove it. So a is greater than, ai is greater than ai plus 1. Yeah, you're going to be checking this at this stage, and that's exactly what you did earlier as well. Now 11 greater than 3, yes it is. Yeah, so your new array is going to be 3, 11, 5, 99 and 6. Okay, now again the counter is going to move because you are inside a for loop. So counter is going to go from, it was here earlier, and then it's going to move to the third position. Third position is 11. So basically whenever you get hold of a value which is bigger than the ones at the on the sides, so you're just going to be keeping hold of it. You're in a sense you're just moving this value towards the end, right? Until, obviously, until you stumble upon something which is even greater than 11. But now, as of now, is the next element greater than 11? Yes, it is. So you're just gonna be making a switch again. Yeah, so how many switches you have already made? 2, 3, 4. Just keep, bear in mind, we'll talk about these switches probably in the next video. Yeah, so now this is your sorted thing. Yeah, then again you're gonna be, now counter is gonna move here because you're inside the for loop. Don't worry in case if you don't understand now, but just look how it's gonna be happening. And obviously we're gonna be looking into the code. So 11 greater than 99, no it's not. Then counter is gonna move next to the next position, which is gonna be 99, and then you're gonna be seeing if 99 is greater than 6. Yet it is, yes it is, and then you're gonna be making a switch, and that's how you're gonna be getting your 6, 11, 5, 3, 2. So basically what you have done is you have bubbled out the maximum value through it. through this logic. Yeah, logic says if a I greater than, and then you have a I plus 1, which is attached. Okay, so if this is true, then you keep doing this. So this is basically the crux of bubbling out one value. Yeah, but we have to do it for all the values. Yeah, so what exactly are we going to be doing? Well, it's pretty simple, right? So if we can single out one, right? If we can single out one value, now the next thing which you're going to be doing is you leave this bit out, right? And then you repeat the process for these many numbers of items. And then after that is completed, so you leave this one out, and then you complete it for, you repeat the process for these many numbers. So you keep doing that. After 3 iterations, these gonna be sorted values, right? So 11 is gonna be here, and 6 is gonna be here, and then you do it again, again, and then this is how you're gonna be getting your final list. Yeah, so this is basically what bubble sorting is. And now quickly, let's go to the code and see how we do it. Okay, I think I will have to.